views, and you can see I have developed a very extensive list of initial codes. You can see they are in the folder initial codes. If you check here, I have 41 initial codes. That was the second step of reflexive thematic analysis, which is generating initial codes. Let's move to the third step of reflexive thematic analysis, which is generating themes. Let's come up with themes from our different codes. I want to create a new folder in the codes section and call this initial themes. I'm putting a 2 because I had already done this. So initial themes 2. If you look at our codes here, you will notice that we can generate some kind of themes. If you look at the codes, a bit wild, above average, appreciative of ethnic culture, average, British ethnicity, calm, cheerful, demanding, different, emotional, fashionable, feminine, you can observe something. Like these codes tell us there is an element of positive attributes and negative attributes, of positive traits and negative traits. For example, a bit wild is a negative trait. I go down there in the codes. Remember, we are in the initial codes. I create a new code. Let me call this positive traits, right? Then I want to create another code and call this negative traits, right? These two are not codes, they are themes. We are generating themes. Group of codes form a theme. So to generate themes, you first go through your codes, we read them through as we have done, and we have observed that we have positive and negative traits. So I want to assign each code into a theme of either positive or negative. A bit wild is a negative trait, so we drag it and drop it into the negative traits. Then above average, it's a positive trait, so we drag that and put it in the positive traits. So that's the two themes we've created: positive traits, negative traits. Appreciative of ethnic culture, of course, that's positive, so we classify that under positive traits. We drag and drop. Average, that's negative, so we drag and put that in negative traits. British ethnicity, and I can also see something like identifies as Pakistani. I can also see something like English ethnicity, white ethnicity. So that's another theme of ethnicity. Remember, in reflexive thematic analysis, we get themes from codes and not themes first and then codes. No, we first do the initial coding, then we study the codes to see what they tell us or how they relate to each other, and then we develop themes and we generate the themes from the codes. So you can see I've generated